Hello everyone. Today we will find the index of the first occurrence in a string in let code. Let's read the problem. Given two strings, needle and haystack, return the index of the first occurrence of needle in haystack or -1 if needle is not part of haystack. Okay. Uh, Public integers string and takes some parameter at string haystack and string needle. Handle edge case where either a haystack or needle is empty or needle's length is greater than haystack length. So if needle length equal 0 and return 0. If haystack length is 0 or needle dot length greater haystack dot length and return -1. Look through the haystack string while there are enough characters left to form a substring that is the same length as the needle. For integer I equal 0, e less than equal haystack dot length minus needle dot length I plus plus. Check if the substring of haystack starting from index I and of length needle length is equal to needle if haystack dot substring I and I plus needle length equals and needle. If yes, return the index I. Return I. After end of the loop, if needle is not part of the haystack, return -1. Let's line by line explanation of the code but before run button. Okay, accepted. Okay, we define a public method named string that takes two strings haystack and needle as input parameters and returns an integer. We handle edge case where either haystack or needle is empty or needle's length is greater than haystack length. If needle is empty, we return 0, indicating that needle is forming at the beginning of haystack. If haystack is empty or needle's length greater than haystack length, we return -1, indicating that needle is not part of haystack. And then we'll start a for loop that we will run while there are enough characters left in haystack to form a substring that is the same length as needle. We use the less than operator because we want the loop to run even if the last substring of haystack is shorter than needle. We check if the substring of haystack starting from index I and length of needle length is equal to needle. If yes, we return the index I, the first occurrence of needle in haystack. If needle is not part of haystack, we return -1. Thank you. for listening to me. Goodbye.